Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Uncovered. Today we will introduce you to the Velas blockchain and their token VLX. If you are new to the channel, take a second to subscribe and hit the like button. It helps the channel and this video to reach more people just like you. And just as a reminder, the information on this video is for entertainment purposes only and not to be considered purchase recommendations. Right, so what is Velas and what makes it so unique? Velas was actually a fork of Solana. Basically, its code derives from Solana with some modifications. Some call it Solana version 2. And what makes it unique is the extremely fast transaction speeds, really low transaction costs, and the support for the Ethereum virtual machine, which uses Solidity programming language. Velas blockchain can be thought of as two systems integrated into one. It is the combination of Solana and the Ethereum systems. On the native side, or the Solana side, you have access to different Velas products, staking, access to Velas Vault, Velas account, different dApps, and the Solana dApps. And on the Ethereum side, the EVM side, you have compatibility with Ethereum and all the different networks that program on Solidity. And different exchanges support these tokens also. So these two systems integrated into one that we just spoke of gives Velas network a great advantage over other projects. It has blazing fast speeds, very cheap transaction costs, and it has access to a wide range of projects on different networks, which are slower and much more expensive. And these projects can easily onboard into the Velas network and its ecosystem. Now, as you can see, this opportunity also creates a few challenges, as there are different kinds of Velas tokens. On the left, you can see VLX native and VLX EVM, the two systems that we just spoke of. So VLX native, you'll be able to stake and will be used by new Velas products. And VLX EVM is the one that you deposit on your MetaMask if you wish to do so, and you can interact with wagyuswap and buy other Velas tokens on the network. Then you have VLX Legacy, which is coming out of circulation and it will be kept for compatibility reasons, but it will either be swapped into native or EVM. And on the right side, you have VLX for compatible with the Ethereum chain, the ERC20 VLX, and is the one that you will purchase on Uniswap. Then you have VLX BEP20, which is the one on Binance Smart Chain, and you can purchase this one on PancakeSwap. Then you also have VLX HRC20, which is the Huobi EcoChain token, and you'll be purchasing this on Huobi. The Velas project has been around for a few years, yet it is not listed on any of the major exchanges. But today, Velas has announced that Gate.io will be listing their token on their network. If you want to join Gate.io to be able to purchase Velas, I'll put the link on the description, and I also have a Gate.io tutorial video to help you get started. But if you want to buy these tokens before it gets listed on Gate.io, the tokens that will be listed will be the Binance Smart Chain and the Ethereum tokens. So if you want to purchase before the listing and then deposit into Gate.io, you'll have to do that through PancakeSwap or Uniswap. Alright, so we're in the coinmarketcap.com website on the Velas page. As you can see on the top right, Velas right now is sitting at about 40 cents, up about 10% for the day. And we'll see how this price will react to the Gate.io listing when it does happen in a few days. But in the meantime, if you want to purchase your Velas token right away, I will show you how to do so. You have different options. On the left, you can see contracts, and now you can see the Ethereum contract in case you want to buy it at Uniswap, and you have to pay with Ether your fees. Then you have the option to buy in the Binance Smart Chain, which will be PancakeSwap, and you will need BNB to purchase and pay the fees as well. And if you're already on the Velas network, you can buy with the Velas contract on wagyuswap, and obviously you will need some Velas to be able to pay those fees. But I will show you first on the PancakeSwap, which is one of the widely used swaps by the retail users. So I'll show you quickly how to do that if that's what you wish to do. So you can just click copy on the side to be able to copy the contract address. Then you just visit pancakeswap.finance you can click on trade on the top left and click on exchange. This will take you to this exchange page where you need some BNBs. My wallet is not connected. You can see on the top right, there's a button to connect your wallet. So you need either your MetaMask or your Trust wallet or any compatible wallets with either Uniswap, PancakeSwap, or wagyuswap. But now I'm not connecting my wallet. I'm just showing you how to get it done. But yes, you will need some BNBs. And on the bottom, you select currency. For me, I already have VLX there, but I'm just going to show you how to do it. Where it says search name, you can just go ahead and copy your contract. In my case, I already have VLX added, but if you don't, it will say import on the right side. You just click import, accept, and bring the token over. Just be careful with these contract addresses. There's a lot of scam projects out there trying to give you the wrong contract where you buy a token that looks like VLX. It says VLX as a token name, but it is another project and most likely a scam, and they will take your money and run away. Okay, so just a little bit careful when you choose those contracts. Make sure you go to either CoinMarketCap or CoinGecko to access the contracts, which are the real ones. Then you'll be able to click on VLX and then purchase. So you need to put some amount of BNB and you get the equivalent amount of VLX. You just click connect wallet. In this case will be your wallet should be connected, and this button will be turned into swap. You click swap and you'll be able to execute this and turn your BNBs into VLX on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, let's say you purchase your VLX on the Binance Smart Chain and you want to cross over to the Velas network. You can do this in different ways. You can do it through the Velas wallet, but also through this website, which I leave in the description, which is cross.swaps with a Z at the end, .app. And you connect your wallet again. You can see on top, my wallet is already connected. And you swap, you just choose the network you want to swap from. In this case, you have VLX Binance Smart Chain and the network you're going to, which is Velas. And you choose the amount of those tokens that you want. It's compatible with other swaps as well, with the WAG, Bitorbit, and Valhalla token, which is SCAR. And all you have to do is choose the amount, and then you press swap. The fee is quite pricey. It's 0.2 BNBs. But if you want to cross over to Velas, or if you want to operate on the Velas network, you will need some amount of Velas there to be able to pay the fees initially. So there are other ways you can do it, but this is one that you can try. Otherwise, if you want to send your token to gate.io, don't forget that the gate.io tokens will be Binance Smart Chain already. So all you have to do is send from your wallet to gate.io whenever they enable the wallet on their website or in their exchange. All right, everyone, I will be wrapping up the video, but this is the velas.com website. I'll be leaving the link in the description in case you want to explore further. But I don't want to make this video too long, so I won't go through the website. And I really hope you enjoy the content. Try to explain the ecosystem, and I hope the information came through and you managed to get a grasp on how everything connects. If you did like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It takes you less than a second and it really helps the video to be shown to other users just like yourself trying to understand the Velas network. And for now, this is it. Thank you for your audience. And if you like the channel, go ahead and subscribe as well. And I'll see you on the next video.